Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix call failed problem issues error on iPhone in iOS 14.4. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Tip number 1. Change mobile data setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap mobile data option, tap voice and data, select LTE. Tip number 2. Dial call *31#. Open the mobile app, dial *31#. Tap OK. Tip number 3. Enable and disable airplane mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Enable airplane mode. Then wait for few seconds and disable it. Tip number 4. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap journal. On the journal page, tap shutdown. Now slider to power off, slider to turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on it back. Tip number 5. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap journal. On the journal page, scroll down, tap reset. On the reset page, tap reset all setting. Again reset all setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Tip number 6. Turn on show my caller ID. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on phone. On the phone page, scroll down, tap show my caller ID. Make sure that show my caller ID is turned on. Tip number 7. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap journal. On the journal page, scroll down, tap reset. On the reset page, tap reset network setting. Again reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.